Hi everyone, hope you are fine. Today let us study the last topic from statistics first lesson, limitations of statistics. I think all of you have watched the previous classes from this lesson 1 introduction. Then functions of statistics, its features, plural and singular sense statistics, and importance of statistics lessons, I think. Okay, anyway, let us study the limitations of statistics. Are you ready? Yes. Regarding the limitations of statistics, means here we are analyzing the criticism of statistics. This means what are the demerits of statistics or drawbacks of statistics. So these drawbacks, most of the drawbacks we are pointing from the features of statistics. Features of statistics we mean the Horace-Eccles definition. The first point is that one. Here we discuss, Eccles mentioned that statistics are aggregates of facts. First limitation is that one. Statistics does not study individuals. Statistics does not study individuals. Statistics only studies about the society, group of the individuals, means the society as a whole, mass of the computer society. Means that, you remember that time we used an example of around 20 students marks. So the 20 students mark, we obtained average. Is it? That is the solution we gave there. So what is the use of an average mark? How can we say that average mark is the mark of all individuals in the group? There are many are there, got less than the average also, more than the average also. How can we use then? We can say that this study is a perfect or clear study. And many are there taking the advantage, even if they fail in the subject also, average mark of their score is very high. Is it? So it may create confusion in the minds of the society people, those who are using the statistics. So that is the first criticism. It does not study about individual. It only concentrate in the aggregates of facts. It's clear? Second limitation is that statistical result or statistics results might lead to some wrong conclusions in the minds of the individual, those who are using that one. Wrong conclusion means fallacious conclusions. How do you know? Suppose seeing the marks, this average mark, one parent or one fellow observed that, okay, my son's average score is 33. Oh, good. But actually he might have got 0 or 10 or 5 or 3. Because of the higher achievers of the class only, this fellow's average score became like this. That is not the evaluation of a person. So we cannot use, it is not possible to use this average for an analytical study. It is not possible. That's why average may leads to. So accordingly, how can we decide the performance accordingly? It is difficult. That is why it is not possible to use statistics for this assessment and all. Clear? Second point, it's bringing some wrong conclusions in the minds of the individual. Third one is that I think statistics deals only with quantitative figures, not the qualitative figures. Yes, all statistical numbers should be given in quantitative data. That feature also there. When we read the definition, you forgot the definition. What's the definition according to Horace-Eccles? Statistics are aggregates of facts marked extent by a multiplicity of causes, numerically expressed, enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standards of accuracy for a predetermined purpose and placed in relation to each other. This is a major feature. These are the major features of the statistics. These features only we are criticizing now. Okay. So third one is that statistics deals with the quantitative figures, not with the quality. So for example, when we compare two students, we are comparing only their marks. How much student A and B. Okay, A is better than B because he got 10% more in that subject, accountancy. Or he got 10% more in business studies. Or he got more marks in economics. Or he got more marks in English. So considering the numbers or percentages, we will say A is better than B, B is better than A, like that. But regarding the quality of the individual, their truthfulness, kindness, all these virtues and all, we are ignoring that part. So So how can we say like that? Few things I am taking, few things I don't want. How can I say like this? So when we are studying a person, we should have to study the person totally. Why do we neglect? Why do we avoid such kinds of these qualities of the individuals? So quality also be considered. It also be studied there. That's a thing. That is why we can say statistics. It's not good. This is the third limitation of statistics. For first one, does not study only individuals. Second one is only making some conclusions becoming wrong. Third one is quantitative informations only, not the qualitative information. Fourth one regarding the accuracy of the statistical findings, values. Means that statistics lacks mathematical accuracy. That's the fourth criticism. Statistics lacks mathematical accuracy. Means in maths, all the values what we are getting, the final result, it will be accurate. But in statistics, only approximates. Simple example. Suppose we are finding average mark of 30 students of one class using arithmetic mean, median and mode. All three are the averages. Definitely we will not get same marks in all three methods. Mean, arithmetic mean will be getting 1 mark. For a decimal difference will be there with the other one. Some case more than the decimal difference will be with the other one. So and we will say approximately it is correct. Or we are obtaining median through graph. When we are drawing that ogives more than or less than, at the intersection point we are drawing line to the x-axis, we will get a median. That also approximate, and students will write approximate. But we have to give marks for that one. So means in statistics, most of the time we are getting the approximate values. And in that coefficients also, approximates everywhere. So statistics, it is a matter of approximation. So that's a criticism, is it? All these averages are only bringing only approximate values. That is the fourth criticism. It's not having accurate value like mass. Accuracy of the mass now taken and only approximation only adopted there in statistics. That's the fourth criticism. Clear now? And the fifth one is that statistics analyzes only homogeneous values, not the heterogeneous values. Homogeneity means similar numbers. When we discuss about that features of statistics, I told you 5 class teachers submitted the marks, should submit the marks in same format. Same format means marks in the columns, names in rows. It should be given properly. Everyone. One is giving ulta, it is difficult for the person, the authority to analyze it. So means homogeneous values. The last feature, predetermined purpose and placed in relation to each other. That's homogeneity. So homogeneity is the matter. Height of a student and height of a tree. Both are height, but the height is height. But the height, the value what we have brought here, it is wrong. Both are not used. We can say height, but height is homogeneous, but the values what we have taken, it is not homogeneous, heterogeneous. So there is no scope for that one in statistics. Height of student means height of boys or height of girls. Is it? Same like that. And sixth criticism is that only the experts can only use the statistics. Yes, that's true. A common man, he cannot use statistics. He is not able to use statistics. Why? The techniques are like that. So, index number, last year's and passions method, family budget index, consumer price index, CPI, or standard deviation, measures of dispersion, range, quartile deviation. How a common person can use? So only the expert can use this value also. They can only find out the value also. That finding only the expert can only use again also. So only the expertized matter. Is it? Only the expertized people only can use this one in a proper way. Otherwise, it is not possible. Only the expert can use in their different purposes, in their day-to-day uses also. That is possible. Is it? And last criticism, it is that there are possibilities of misuse of statistics. Means in statistical numbers also manipulation is possible. How do you know? Suppose we went to study about the economic benefits. Means the impact of the economic policy after 10 years. The government conducted a team to study that one. Definitely, the team will bring the result is that, oh, because of this new economic policy, agriculture sector, before the policy it was this much developed, now too much developed. Industrial sector was flourished. On the service sector, oh, beyond the control it went. That because why? That report should support the existence of the government and their arguments. And opposite side, some other private team, if they conducted the study regarding this one, the same topic, their findings may be different. How they got different findings? How they derived the conclusions on the basis of this one? Means that there are possibilities. Even if the authority conducted the study properly one, when we are using, we can say, we can write, we can manipulate. So manipulation is possible in values. These are the, because manipulation means according to our own interest, we can change the values and we can use that. These are the major criticisms or limitations of statistics. Once again, try to repeat that one. First one, statistics does not study individuals. Second one, the conclusions may leads to wrong situations, means fallacious conclusion. Third one, only quantitative data. After quantitative data, the accuracy matter. Accuracy. Statistical findings are not accurate, only approximates. And next one, homogeneity of the data. Only homogeneous values only considered. The last two points means relating each other, means only the expert can use. Those expert will utilize this value according to their necessities and all. So misuse of statistics. These are the major limitations of statistics. Thank you for watching my class. Hope you enjoyed the class. Tomorrow I will come with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.